Most guys are just using AI to do their homework or to cheat on tests, bro. Come on. The 1%, they are using it to get ahead of everyone else in literally every part of their life. That's exactly what I want for my brothers, what I want for you guys. So I compiled 5 AI hacks that will help you win in style, skincare, dating, your routine, and even your fitness. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to get ahead of 99% of people around you. But here's the best part. I have built custom apps for each of these categories that you can't get anywhere else, that I'm gonna give to you for free completely so you can level up. This is not some basic just ask ChatGPT questions. This is some real in-depth stuff. Tip 1, dress better than your friends with AI. There are 3 simple fashion mistakes that every guy makes. You don't need more clothes. You need to learn how to wear the clothes that you already own correctly. Because if you don't, you're gonna be seen as less confident, less successful, and less trustworthy. Mistake 1, the tank top. Wearing a white tank top is wrong. On the left, you have a guy where you can see the tank top through the shirt. If this is you, you're doing it all wrong. When you're wearing a tank top underneath a shirt, you wanna wear a gray one that's closer to your skin tone color and becomes invisible to the naked eye. Remember how I told you I would use AI to enhance how you look? Once your fit is ready, I want you to take a picture with this app called the Wardrobe Optimizer. Your boy built it. I put in all my information there. After you upload a picture of your fit, the Wardrobe Optimizer AI app will instantly rate your fit, and it's gonna flag any mistakes for the next time. Now, don't worry, I'm not a wizard, bro. I'm not a genius. I literally built this on an app called Lovable. Anybody can do this. You don't need any coding experience, and as a matter of fact, you can build your own app if you wanted to, but if you wanna use the one that I built, I'm gonna give it to you for free at the end of the video. The cool thing though is that if you do use Lovable, it's completely free to use. Think of it like ChatGPT, but you can build apps on it. Mistake number 2, a bad sleeve roll. Most guys, their sleeve rolls unravel and they bunch up. It ends up ruining that old money vibe. You look like you got no money. Instead, you need to learn how to roll your sleeves like the Italians. First, you will unbutton all your sleeve buttons. Then, you will fold it once all the way up to your elbow crease. You're gonna fold it again onto itself and clean up the crease. When you do this, you get a perfect symmetrical cuff that stays in place all day. Mistake number 3, the military tuck. Most guys will just stuff their shirt in and they think this is the right way to tuck in a shirt, not realizing it's gonna become untucked in a few hours. To fix it, you need to start doing the military tuck. You're gonna unbutton your pants all the way up and tuck in your shirt normally. Then, you're gonna grab the loose fabric on the sides and fold it backwards. Finally, you're gonna finish up tucking your shirt in nicely and then close your pants above your hip line. Suddenly, your waist will look slimmer and your outfit will look tailored. And the Wardrobe Optimizer app that I built for free will help you through all of it. It'll analyze your fit, your color combo, and then give you a fit score so you know how good the fit is. But it doesn't stop there. It also tracks your closet. If you take a picture of every single item you have, it'll suggest different outfit combos for you so you don't even have to think. And then it even reminds you which pieces you haven't worn in a while or which ones you're wearing too frequently so you stop being an outfit repeater. Bro, I should really be selling this. I can't believe I'm giving it away, but because it's free to do on Lovable, I figured I would just give it to you guys, or you could build your own. But you already have a great wardrobe. I'm just showing you how with AI, you could literally dress better than 99% of guys. And we're just getting started because we got 4 more categories that I'm gonna supercharge in your life so I can catapult you to the top 1% on easy mode. Tip 2, I want you to ascend with ChatGPT. Acne,
Salicylic acid,
large pores,
niacinamide,
dark spots,
alpha-arbutin,
pigmentation,
hydroquinone,
dull skin,
vitamin C,
dry skin,
hyaluronic acid,
oily skin,
zinc,
redness,
cica,
fine lines,
retinol,
uneven texture.
glycolic acid,
Okay. Skin barrier repair.
ceramide.
Thanks, chat. You see, skincare is a 4-variable problem. Every skin routine depends on 4 things: oiliness, texture, tone, and your active issues like acne and redness. For perfect skin, you need the right product combo, and everybody's product combo is completely different. So to get perfect skin, I developed AI Skin Analyzer. You just upload one quick selfie into the app, and the AI will instantly detect your oily level, pigmentation, texture pattern, and any specific issues like hyperinflammation, dryness, or acne. Then it'll build a full morning and nighttime skincare routine specifically for your skin type, down to the exact products with product links that you can easily just buy off of Amazon. And again, all these apps I'm building with Lovable, which is a platform that anybody can code with natural English language. You do not have to have any coding experience, and you can go and build your own. I built these with all of my knowledge, obviously, and the things that I understand about skincare, grooming, and style, and I'm gonna give them to you for free so you can use them yourself. But what I would encourage you to do is go and build the ones for yourself that actually serves a purpose, and who knows, you might be onto an incredible genius idea that could potentially be your next business. But here's the best part, Lovable's free, bro. I'm gonna have a Lovable link down below. You can go and literally start coding apps and websites for free right now. Tip 3, you're gonna get any girl you want with AI. You wanna ask her out? Here's how to do it and always get a yes. Step 1, don't ask. I'm just kidding. Here's a real step 1 to always get a yes, so you don't end up alone forever. First, you must build contact without pressure. You want to talk casually with her. Ask her for her name, whether it's in class or at work. Comment on something small. Every time you guys talk, even if it's for a few seconds, it's like you're laying a brick into the foundation of both of you guys' relationship. If you have no idea what to say or you're overthinking it, that's why I built what I call the DM Doctor. This app will do 4 things for you. It'll rebuild your bio on your dating apps and your social profile. It's also a photo selector. It'll tell you which picture you should upload to your social or select for your dating apps, all based on facial symmetry and what gets you the closest to being the most attractive. Once you start building connection, you need to start making her feel chosen. When you do ask her out, don't say like, hey, can you go out with me on Friday? Instead, you can say stuff like, man, I really enjoyed getting to know you. I really enjoyed X subject talking with you. I'd love to take you out on Friday. And I get it. I can't be in all of you guys' ear telling you exactly what to say. So that's why I preloaded all of this into the DM Doctor, because it's also a message optimizer. It'll suggest your icebreakers. What's the first text? What text you should reply with? And then I have an emergency called the Ghost Rescue. Once you've been ghosted, just paste the conversation and it'll give you the best route to take to try to get her to come back. And finally, if you want her to say yes, you need to come in with a plan. For example, when you do the ask, you can say something like, there's a new spot I want to try. I'll pick you up at 5, be ready. Even if you say it as a joke and you're grinning, she most likely will just say yes. Like, it's almost impossible to say no. And because you're not just another guy being like, hey, can you please go out with me? And you'll be the guy in her eyes that has a plan. And that's insanely attractive. Tip 4, the morning routine that rewires your brain. The perfect morning routine for men has 3 modes: fill, empty, and use. You see, the right morning routine, it's not about motivation or what time you get up at 4 in the morning. It's about timing your brain and what it's ready to do at that moment. So instead of you just jumping into work first thing, I want you to start by filling it with something light. It could be a few pages of reading, a podcast, or maybe even just sunlight exposure. Then I want you to empty your mind. This could be with journaling, a short walk, or even meditation. This will just clear all the mental noise and get you into the rhythm for the day. And finally, now your brain is ready to be used. So I want you to focus. I want you to create something, or I want you to make your first major decision of the day. Now, everybody's morning routine can be completely different, but you need to ask yourself 5 questions so you can tailor yours. Do you want to build muscle? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to improve your grades or focus? Do you want to boost testosterone? Do you want to live longer? Then I want you to ask yourself one final question. When does your day start? At school or work? And how long is your commute? Based on those answers, you can now build your perfect morning routine. And it's exactly what my Routine Builder AI app does. The app uses your answers to build a fully customized morning routine for anybody. It'll tell you your wake-up schedule, your sunlight exposure, when you should fill, empty, and use your mind. Literally tailored based on what's important to you. That is the perfect morning routine for men. And think about it. When you apply this every single day, the first day you'll feel amazing. Within a week, you're gonna start feeling like you're leveling up. Within months or years of this is how you beat 99% of your competition. But if you truly want to just dominate, like leave them in the dust, you need to level up one last thing in your life. Just tip number 5. Your fitness. I'm gonna show you how to get shredded. No gym and no diet. If I only had 5 exercises to build my dream body without a gym, here are the 5 I would do. Most guys quit fitness because the plans are either too complicated, too intense, or too unrealistic. But that's because most don't understand that you don't actually have to go to the gym or have a crazy diet to look good. Just 20 minutes a day, done with good form. These 5 exercises will transform your body. First, do an overhead press, which of course you can do in the gym, but if you're at home, you can use resistance bands or water jugs. 2, arm curls. I want you to pick up anything with weight. It could be the same water jugs, and if it's light, go for an intense amount of reps, like 100 reps. I promise you your arms are gonna be on fire. 3, leg raises. I want you to do about 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off on each leg for about 10 rounds. 4, pull-ups. Whether you buy a pull-up bar for your door or go to a park, it is the best builder for a broad back. And 5, barbell rows, which again, if you don't have a barbell, you could just fill up a backpack with a bunch of canned food or use the same water jugs, and if it's light, you wanna go for a lot of reps. And of course, I also built an AI app for this as well. It's called Fitness Sync AI. You literally just upload a picture of your front and it's gonna analyze your body fat percentage. Obviously, it's all predictive, and from it, it's gonna build you a minimal routine. It'll only count your protein, the steps you do a day, your water intake, and your sleep cycle. And just doing that with the 5 exercises, you're gonna slowly start building the dream body you have without any crazy routine that's unrealistic. Bro, I should sell all 5 of these apps. I honestly think they're great business ideas, but I built them because I want you to beat 99% of the competition. And now you can do so with AI on your side. If you guys want access to any of these, I'm gonna have them linked down below as well. You can use them for free, but what I really recommend is go to Lovable, build your own apps, and completely transform your life.